guys, welcome back to my channel, Simple Life of Julene. How are you guys all doing? Welcome to the Simple Fam. If you guys are new here and would like to be a part of the Simple Fam, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, mash up that notification bell. That way you're always in the know whenever I upload. Just a brief insight to my channel. Here in the Simple Fam, we do fashion, beauty, vlog, DIY, being a mom, lifestyle. Pretty much I am jack of all trade. If there is anything that you would like to see on this channel, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see. I'm here. I will make it for you. And just to let you know too, on this channel, we keep it simple and we keep it real. I like to find ways to help my Simple Fam to look bougie, to pretty much put things together without breaking the bank. Yes, I want this channel to be cost-saving channel, okay? All right, now that we got that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So as you guys can see, I am standing in front of my closet. So you guys are wondering, why is this girl standing in front of her closet? Well, people, today I am gonna be transitioning my closet from summer to winter. So now that it's getting colder and it's time to put on those sweaters, those cardigans, you know, those fall outfit, I guess it's bittersweet that we have to just say goodbye for now to all those fancy, nice, sexy summer outfit until next year. If you're not living in a cold country where you don't have to transition, you know what? Lucky you. But here in Canada, it's freezing. Well, this week we had an okay, very nice weather last week to this week, but now it's back to being cold. So I am now gonna be transitioning my closet. I did a video before when I was actually cleaning out my closet and I lost some footage to it, so I never really uploaded, but I think I am gonna upload it so you guys can see how I do my closet and how I organize my closet, so you guys have an idea. Maybe it helps somebody out there to who are looking for ways to organize and declutter your closet. So for this one, I am not going to be throwing out anything because I already went through my closet and I already threw out stuff for the winter. But when I did my closet reorganize and transition into the summertime, I actually have all my winter stuff and I will show you guys in a bag. I didn't get a chance to fold them and put them into a bin because I know in a couple of months I needed to transition anyway. So normally it's good to have like bins where you can fold the clothes, put them in a way for the winter, and then when summer come around, it's easy for you to just take them out and walk them into the closet. So now that I got that out of the way and I've tell you guys the brief, tell you guys what is behind what I'm doing today, let's get into the video. So what I'm gonna do, maybe it's a little bit harder for you guys to see because my closet is a little smaller. Maybe come closer to so you guys have an idea. I'm gonna take out all of this stuff and then I'm gonna lay it on my bed and then I'm gonna take them off the hanger so I can rearrange, and then afterwards I will walk you through to what I did. Okay, so let's go. All right. Okay, guys, so At the bottom there, that's where all my bags are. So it's on a shelf. That cabinet or shelf unit, I should say, I made it, but I'm waiting for a next piece of wood so I can make a third shelf, so that way I can line my bags them out more proper. But for now it works. Those are where my shoes are. And if you look and see what I left in the closet, I left the cardigans. So those are my long cardigans. So because they work for winter, I decided to leave it. And if you look here, so that's where all the cardigans are. Whoops, I drop in. So that's my cardigan right here. So this is the cardigan. So that's the cardigan. That's the next cardigan, as you guys can see. So I push that back in the back. I left the belt. So these are my belts. So I have a hanger that has all my belts on it. If you look up top here, as you can see, this one is tanks and t-shirt. That one is where I have all my jeans and dressing pants and so forth. So all of the ones on my top is like dressing pants and jeans. And if you look over on this side now, this is where I have all the neutral shirts. So these are long sleeves. So I said these are appropriate for winter, so I'm not gonna bother take it out. And then when you look here, let me push it down that way you guys can see. When you look, so this ones are my leather jackets. This is my leather jacket. So for winter, that's my blazer. So I'll leave it, and that's like my throwovers and stuff. So I'm gonna leave those in the closet and stuff. So those are all my blazer and stuff. So I'm gonna leave those. So t-shirts and stuff that works for the fall. So I'm gonna leave it. If you come over here now and you look on the ground, so if you look here, this bag has all of my sweaters. So when I change over my closet, as I was saying to you guys earlier, this is where I put all my sweaters. And if you look here now, this is where all my shirts and stuff I take out of the closet. So we're gonna quickly take off the hanger and run through it. And then yeah, we'll go from there. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done going through the clothes. So all of these ones here is all the clothes that can be transitioned into my fall. So I'm gonna put those back into the closet. I should show you. So those are all the clothes that I pretty much fold up from the like the tops and stuff. So I will put those away. So now I'm gonna put the sweater on the bed so we can go there. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it, and that's all I do to transition my wardrobe from summer to spring. I put in my sweaters, which you see here. I have my skirts that are right here. My dresses and stuff are behind here, so that way, because you know you don't wear the dresses that often as you do sweaters. So all my sweaters are here, my belts are right here, and over on this. And then over on this side is where I have like my shirts, my blazer and stuff, as I said to you before. So this is the, oops, this is the final look, as you guys can see, of the closet. That's how it looks now. So now my closet is pretty much organized, and how I like to do like the colors as close as possible, so that way when I'm going for stuff I know where like the gray is, the cream and the green and so forth. So I like to kind of color coordinate as much as I can in my closet. So pretty much guys, that is it for the transition. So if you're thinking of transition, that's all you have to do. Take out all the summer stuff that you're not going to be wearing throughout the winter, and then pack those away, and then take out your summer stuff that you pack away and put it that way. Now you don't have to be searching all over. You know where your winter stuff is, you can grab it and you go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna pretty much wrap up the video here. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Hopefully my video was helpful to someone out there who are looking for ways to, you know, change up their closet for the winter. This is what I do. Now, it was actually one of my friends that gave me the idea, and I have to say I thank her for it, because it's so helpful, because my closet used to be crammed with clothes from summer to fall, and it was a nightmare to find stuff. But this way now it's easier. I know where my winter stuff is. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave me a comment, let me know how you guys feel about these videos. You know, it's fun for me to put it out, but I want to also know what you guys think. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.